everybody! Hi, I miss you guys so much. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to let you know that we are for the rest of the year just doing a first grade review. So I thought the best way to do that was to do Khan Academy. So I sent your parents an email with all of your login information and how to get on to that. And I set you a goal to do, and it is to do a review of first grade and see how you do. And it will let you know which concepts that you need to go back and review, and I can help you with that. If you need any help, please let me know. Also, we'll be doing a Zoom game on Thursday with all the first grade teachers, all three of us. Three of us. All three of us will be here to do a Zoom game with you, a Jeopardy-style review game on Thursday. Yes, Thursday at 10 o'clock. I will send you an invitation. So I hope you're doing great. I miss you. Please keep doing your ST Math too. Be doing that a half an hour 3 times a week as well. Okay? All right. Have a great week. I hope to see you soon.